children, coming to exponents. Children, tomorrow in exam also I have exponents only. Practice whatever sums we have discussed. Okay. First question, children. Root of x cube minus 5. Second question is root of x cube y minus 2. Okay. Third question. X to the power of minus 2 by 3. Y to the power of minus 1 by 2. 4 to the power of 2. Okay. Three sums, Vedant. Vedant, you tell this three sums.
Yes, sir. Root x to the power minus 3 can also be written as x to the power minus 3 into to the power 1 by 2.
Yeah, root will become always 1 by 2.
1 by 2 to the power 5 into 5.
Into 5 because root always become 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Yes,
root will become 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
X to the power of minus 3
into 5 by 2. X to the power minus 15 by 2.
And remove minus?
So it will become 1 by x to the power 15 by 2.
Yeah, second sum.
So the x cube to the y into to the power minus 2 whole to the power 1 by 2.
Okay.
It will become x
to the power of 3 by 2 whole to the power of
1 by 2.
Yeah.
It will become x to the power 3 by 2 and y to the power 1.
X to the power of 3 by 2 by
y.
Yeah, tell me this also.
Sir, I cannot see the whole part of that sum, sir. Can you move? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. X to the power minus 2 by 3 into 2 y to the power minus 1 by 2.
This is called x to the power of yes. Yes. So this minus if you want to remove, you have to go down children. And this way if you want to remove, you have to go down children. Okay, children. Next substitute. Pravalika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you say next please?
Yes.
So next please. Root x to the power of minus 2 by 3. Root y to the power of 4 divided by root of xy whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. Fifth root of 243 x to the power of 10 by the power of 5 z to the power of 10 and sixth sum x to the power of minus 4 by the power of minus 10 whole to the power of 3 by 4. Can you say the three sums?
X to the power of 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3.
X to the power of 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3.
Y to the power of 1 by 2 into 4.
1 by 2 is root, okay.
Divided by x to xy whole to the power minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2.
2 gone. 2. X to the power of minus 1
Power
by
of
2.
minus 1 by 3. Y to the power of 1. Okay.
X to the power of 1 by 2. Y to the power of minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, Nama? So when bases are same, powers can be subtracted because division is there. X to the power of minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Y to the power of 2 minus of minus plus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. So x to the power of 6 minus 2 minus 3. Y to the power of 4 is the LCM. Tell Nana.
X to the power of minus 5 by 6. Y to the power of 9 by 4.
And minus 5 by 6, if I want to remove, what I should write?
1 by x to the power of 5 by 6.
X to the power of 5 by 6. That's it. Yeah, tell me this one. 243.
X to the power of 10, y to the power of 5, z to the power of 10, whole to the power of 1 by 5.
So 243 can be as 2 to the power of 5 into 1 by 5. X to the power of 10 into 1 by 5. Y to the power of 5 into
1 by 5. Z to the power of 10 into 1 by 5.
5 gone. 5 to the 5 gone. 5 to the. So what will be there?
3 to the power 3 in
X
3x
square.
square.
5z square. Okay. Can you tell this sum? Yes.
Yes.
X to the power of minus 4 into 3 by 4. This is this. And this is y to the power of minus 10
minus
into
10
3 by
into 3.
4 4 1 x to the power of minus 3
minus
by 2 5 are 2 2 are. So minus 15 by
minus 15 by 2.
this you bring up, this you bring down to remove the minus sound. So y is
Y to the power of 15 by 2 x to the power.
x to the power. That's okay. Next, Nandika is it? Like this, yeah. Yeah, it should be here. Yeah, Nandika, can you tell this question? Nandika, can you tell this sums? Yeah, Harsha, can you tell the sums?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Sir, 2 into
Uh,
sir 2 into
by
1 by
3.
sir 2 by 3 whole power 5 into 1 by 2.
Okay.
Sir 6 into 7 whole power 2. Sir,
Okay. So,
sir 2 by 3 whole power 5 by 2
okay.
into 6 by 7 whole power whole square.
Okay. So, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. This is whole to the power of 5 by 2. This is what you can write.
Sir
2 into 3 by 7.
2 into 3 by 7 whole power 2 square. Sir.
Power 2. Okay. So, what you can write? 2 to the
2
power of
into 2 into
5 by 2 by 3 to the power of 5 by 2. 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2, 7 to the power of 2. Okay. So, just you have to simplify these both and these both operations. When you simplify, what it will become? 2 to the power of
Sir
5
2
by
to
2
power of
plus
5
2. Then base the same powers can be added. And
And
here
it's-
5 by 2 will come up.
Sir,
So 3
3
to the power of
2 minus 5 by 2.
Okay. And
7 by 2.
Sir 7 by 7 by 7 square.
okay. So 2 to the power of 9 by 2. 3 to the power of minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2.
7 to the power of 2.
7
This
to
will
the power
come.
of 2.
2 to the power of 9 by 2. 7 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 1.
Into 3 power minus 1.
Yeah. Can you tell us some how to do? This is minus 1 by 2.
So 16 whole power 5 by 2 into
4 square. 4 square.
4 whole square in power 2 into 5 by 2 into minus 1 by 2
2 to 1. So 4 to the power of.
minus 5 by 2
Okay. 4 we can write as 2 square.
2 square.
Okay.
Sir minus 5 into minus 5 by 2 2 to
Okay.
cancel 1 by 5 whole power 5 152.
Okay,
Sorry,
very
1 by
good.
512.
1 by 32. 32 or 512.
Sir 512 sir. Sir 512 sir.
Sure. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 16. No, 32 na. 32. Yeah. Then it's
Sir 32 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 5
32 can be done.
2 power 5 in my x minus
Okay.
1 by 2 power 3 1 by 8
Okay. Next 343 can be written as
7 sorry
no, minus 2 into this 3 can be written as
1 by 3 sir 1 by
1 by 3. Okay. 343 is
7 cube whole minus 2 into 1 by 3 3 3 1 7 power minus 2 1 by 49
1 by 4. Very good. Next. Next. Rishikesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
It is a section. Yeah, Krishkish, can you tell me some?
Yes, sir.
That is, we can write
So,
it.
1 by 1000, sir. Whole to the power 1 by 3. 1 by 1000 can be written as 10 cube whole to the power, okay, into 1 by 3. 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1.
Okay. 25 we can write as
25 we can write as 5 square into 3 by 2 into
3/3.
3 to the power 5 into 3 by 5. 2 to the power 4 into 5 into 5 by 4 into 2 to the power 3 into 4 by 3.
Okay. 5
5 to
cube.
the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 5. N- n-
Okay. So it is 5 to the power of 3 into 3 to
Sir,
the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 9. When
sir,
base
it's 3 to the power 3 or 5, sir.
3 to the power of 5 here.
Sir, we cancelled, no, sir, 5, 5.
Oh, then 5 5 cancel means 3. Yeah, yeah. If you want, you can write this. Both powers are same. 15 to the power of 3 to the power. Yeah, next one.
Yes, sir. Sir, we
When
can
base
write
are
2
same,
as
when base are same,
powers can be subtracted.
subtracted.
Root 2 by 5 whole to the power 6 minus 13. Root to the power 5, sorry, root 2 by 5 minus 7. 5 by root 2 whole to the power 7.
Power to the power of 7. That's it. Very good. Next one. Yes, sir. Raghuram, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me some. Still, I like questions muted only. Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, when power bases are same, powers can be subtracted. 5x minus x is equals to 2 into 20 into 2
1
whole
by
to the power
5.
20 by 1 into 1 by 5.
Because 5 is there, 1 by 5. Go to
Yes.
the power of
4x is equals to 2 root to the power of 4. 4x is equals to 4x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 by 4. X is equals to 1, sir.
when base are same, powers can be compared.
Compared.
This one.
2 to the power 12 is equals to 2 to the power 2x. 12 is equals to 2x. X is equals to 6.
Next, this one.
Sir, we need to
Reciprocate.
yes, sir. Reciprocate 5 by 3 whole to the power of minus x into 5 by 3 whole to the power of 2x is equals to 5 by 3 whole cube. When bases are same, we could add powers. 5 by 3 whole to the power minus x plus 2x is equals to 5 by 3 whole cube. 5 by 3 whole to the power of x is equals
Minus
to
x plus 2x is just x.
x. X is equals to 3.
X is equal to 3. Okay. Yeah. Next. Meghana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me next. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Yeah. Can you tell Meghana this one?
Yes, sir. 135 factorization 5 27 3 9 3 3 3.
So 5 to the power of x
X
minus 2.
minus 2 is equal to into 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 3.
So x minus 2 is
X
equal
minus 2 is equal to 1. X is equal to 3.
to this both.
2x minus 3 is equal to 3.
Okay.
2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3.
X is equal to 3. Right. This one. Again.
1250 factorization. 5, 250, 50, 10, 2, 2. 2 to the power of x minus 7 into 5 to the power of x minus 4 is equal to 5 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 1.
Okay.
X minus 4 is equal to 4. X is equal to 8.
Okay. This both.
X minus 7 is equal to 1. X is equal to 8.
So can you tell this one?
4
Cube root of 4 into
whole to the power of
or take LCM for this.
2 4x plus 1 is equal to 1
2 to the power of
to
minus
the
5.
power of minus
This
5.
is 2 to the power of 5. This is sum of means 2 to the power of minus. Yeah. This one
4 to the power of 1 by 3
1 by 3 whole to the power
whole to the
of
power
4x.
of 4x plus 1 by 2.
What is 4?
2 square
2 square
into 1 by 3 into 4x plus 1 by 2
is equal to the
is
power.
equal to the power of minus 5.
This is
2 to cancel.
so
5x by 3 to the power of 5
4x plus 1 by 3 when base are same, powers can be compared.
compared.
Is equal to minus 5.
Minus
Good
5. 4x plus 1 is equal to minus 15.
work. Okay.
4x is equal to minus 16. X is equal to minus 4.
Very. Very. Next. Nandika, are you there? Nandika, are you there? Sujit, are you there? Sujit, are you there? Anu, are you there? Okay, children, so no one is there. So I want to say 3 more sums, children. So Vedant, again you start.
Yes, sir.
Second sum. Yeah, tell us.
Sir, 5 to the power of 2x plus 3 equals 1.
What can I 5 to the power of 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 0.
5 to the power of 0.
Okay.
Plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the same parts can be compared.
Hmm.
2x is equal to 3. X is equal to x into minus 3 by 2.
X is equal to minus 3. This is next question.
Sir, 13 to the
13 to the power of root x.
root x. 13 to the power x to the power 1 by 2.
13 to the power of okay, let's keep root x first. 4 to the power of 4 is how much? 256.
256. 3 to the
Okay.
power of 4 is 81 minus 6.
How much is that?
That 6 is
256
250.
minus
250.
87. 13 to the power of root x is
7.
equal to how much? 9,
169.
169. 13 to the power of root x is
X
equal
is
to
equal to 169.
13 square.
Root x
So-
is equal to 2.
Root x is equal to root comes here means x to the power of 4.
X to the power 4.
Sorry, root comes here means square. So 2 square is 4.
4.
Here tell me this.
Root 3 by 3 by 5, sir.
Yeah.
0 2 by 5 to the power x.
5 by 3 to the power of
5 by
3.
3 to the power of 3. Sir, on the left hand side, you wrote, oh, it is 2 only. 3 only. Okay. 3 by 5 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 by 5 to the
This
power
root-
minus 2.
This root will become 1 by 2. This root will become 1 by
1 by
2.
2. Yes, sir. Is equal to 5. Is it 3 by 5 to the power minus 3?
Hmm.
Bases are same, so powers can be compared. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3. X plus 1 is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6 minus 1. X is equal to minus 7.
X. Okay, children. So like this we have to do, children. So some more if you are interested, we'll do next class or we'll start new lesson, children. So tomorrow you write this, children. Okay, next one. Thank you so much, children. Let's start.